Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. If you are new here, hello, welcome. My name is Jasenia, and on this occasion I'll be showing you how to make the Korean corn dogs coated in seasoned potatoes, and they're super easy to make. All you're going to need is 1 cup of krusteez pancake mix and a little less than 2/3 cup of water, and you want to mix the water with the pancake mix. Of course, the thicker the better. In addition to that, you're also going to need the Meyer Weines and mozzarella sticks. You're going to need 1 Idaho potato or yellow potato, your sticks, and the panko crumbs. I just purchased the store brand, whichever works for you though. You want to start by mixing the pancake mix with the water until you get this thick consistency, and then go ahead and season your potatoes with salt, paprika, and black pepper. Of course, that is optional, but this definitely adds a lot more flavor to the potatoes. Proceed by inserting your stick into the weenie and the mozzarella stick. If you don't find these sticks, which I did purchase in Mexico, by the way, you probably find them in a dulceria candy store here in the U.S. Just feel free to try using a popsicle stick or something thicker than a kebab to insert these into. But once you've added in the weenie and the mozzarella stick or either one, go ahead and coat in the pancake mix just all the way around really well. The alternative to dipping this in is just using your hands, just because the mozzarella sticks tends to open up when you use this width of a stick. Next, go ahead and top your corn dog with the seasoned potatoes and press down all the way around until coating as many sections as you can with this, and then finish it off in the panko crumbs. Repeat the process until you're all finished, and these will make about 3 to 4 Korean corn dogs. You can be as creative as you want with the toppings. I have also made some using the crushed up ramen noodle, hot Cheetos as well. You could probably top these in unfrosted cornflakes also, or like crushed up Doritos, spicy nacho flavors. I mean, the possibilities are endless with this type of food item. But once all of your corn dogs are assembled, go ahead and set your stove to medium-high heat with plenty of oil to cover and fry until golden brown. And your corn dog should look something like this. Once they are ready and cooked thoroughly on each side, feel free to drizzle on some ketchup, mustard, or even melted nacho cheese. Having said that, I do hope that you enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below what other recipes you'd like to see in the future. If you haven't already, feel free to subscribe to this growing YouTube family and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future recipes. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.